Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
I got 3 ZB515s on a Salt 8.
Nice.
On 300 amp hours LTO.
So 3? What's your impedance on it, on your amplifier?
I'm wired at 0.33. I'm rising up about a 0.49.
Ooh, man, you're living dangerous.
Yeah, so we've repaired the amp already.
You did? Okay.
Yeah.
How's your SPL score on it?
So the firewall broke in half.
Oh, man.
So, yeah, you're about to catch hell if it don't bust in this ship.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. It might stay in.
Looks good, though. Good job.
It was built by River Law.
Okay. River Law. On Team Megahertz.
Yep, Team Megahertz.
Team Megahertz. All right. Tune low, or is that what you like? The low frequency, or?
33.
33? Yeah. Very nice. That was 25 to 44?
25, 44.
Wow.
Yeah, it don't really pick up on the high too well.
Yes, sir.
This one's got one coil on it.
Where's your amplifier at?
It's up top on the lock.
Oh, okay.
It's in the back. There's plexiglass you can see inside the box.
Okay. Thank you very much, Kyle, right?
Yep.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Kyle. I'm going to check out the amp. Oh, What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around we got of Kyle's truck system. 3 15-inch subs walled at Slamfest Audio Show near Tampa, Florida was where the show was. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. Pretty impressive to see him run 3 instead of 4 and still get pretty much as loud as 4. And being able to have 3 subs sometimes helps with wiring your impedance a little bit lower than 1 ohm or even half ohm. Like he said, 0.3 ohm, which is really a dangerous impedance to wire to. But it got the job done. If you notice, the depth of his port helped with that low end response, playing mid 20 hertz range really well. And I like the see-through glass you can see on the side. So you're able to kind of see that beauty of how clean the install was. And the way he mounted them amplifiers and subwoofer was really tight and efficient. So mounting amplifiers on top of a box like that is a really tight space, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Really optimal amount of cubic space used inside of this truck as well. Didn't really find out the specs on the enclosure, sorry about that, but it sounded like it was playing high 20, low 30s really well. And on music during this demo, you're probably going to see a 156 dB plus. So be sure to hit the like. Notice the seat driver port, so it helps a little bit with the pressure on me. And that's actually the line where the port and the box bracing was, so you can see where the top of the baffle was for where those subs mounted to. Total of 8,000 watts on 3 15-inch subs, but of course it is at 0.33 ohm, so he's getting all the juice and probably clamping over 8K on a burp. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily car audio videos every day on Jacob Vile, and enjoy.
In the seat. Moonlights in the sea.
That thing gets low. Man, are you tuned low, or is that what you like? The low frequency, or
33.
33? Yeah. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.